Starting today, we expect to hear testimony from a range of current and former officials with the city of Jacksonville and JEA before two former JEA executives stand trial later this year.
Former JEA CEO Aaron Zahn and former Chief Financial Officer Ryan Wannemacher are charged with wire fraud and conspiracy. They're accused of trying to take millions in personal profits through a controversial bonus plan tied to the proposed sale of the utility. News4JAX reporter Brianna Andrews joins us live. And Brianna, this hearing is expected to take several days.
Several days over potentially several weeks. It will determine whether prosecutors have enough evidence to go to trial. The hearing will focus on what are known as guarantee rights. Those are protections given to public employees who are compelled to testify so the information can't be used against them in a criminal proceeding. The defense argues federal prosecutors violated the men's civil rights by relying on statements the two gave city attorneys in 2020 during a workplace investigation into JEA. Wannemacher's attorneys also argue answers he gave to the City Council's Special Investigative Committee should be covered by guarantee protections and say Wannemacher believed he would face consequences if he didn't. In January of 2020, after a series of investigative interviews, the JEA board voted to fire Zahn for cause. Less than a week later, city attorneys published transcripts, recordings, and documents from the investigation, including Zahn's statements to investigators that are at the center of the defense's arguments. Before they can go to trial, prosecutors must prove their case rests solely on evidence other than the protected statements and anything derived from them. During the hearing, we expect to hear testimony from former JEA executive Paul McElroy and Melissa Dykes, an interim CEO who worked under Zahn. FBI special agents, and FBI computer scientists, and two former investigators with the state attorney's office will also testify as well. Now, part of the hearing will happen behind closed doors, despite efforts by News4JAX and other local media to get this done publicly. Now, the trial is expected to start in October. Reporting live, Brianna Andrews, Channel 4, the local station.